Hello dear learners, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to do the sum of question number 7 of exercise 3.3. Here this type of question you have done in your general mathematics, so easy. Compute by Euclidean algorithm GCD of 56 minus 36. We need to find GCD means greatest common divisor, that means HCF. HCF and GCD are same thing, greatest common divisor and highest common factor, no? So both the things are same. And here I have taken the question number 2 because you may get puzzle here. If my negative integers are there, so it doesn't matter. So the GCD or HCF will always be positive number. So if we are given to find the HCF or GCD for two integers and one integer is negative, or maybe both the integers in negative, then you will neglect the negative sign and then you will find the HCF, and at last you will write the GCD of this thing is. Because before that I am going to explain something. Suppose A, B are two integers, no? If A, B are two integers, then GCD, that means HCF of A and B, is equal to GCD of minus A, B. That means negative A and B. GCD of minus A and minus B. That means if A and B are any two integers, then the GCD of AB will be equal to GCD of minus A minus B. Suppose if 10 and 20 are two integers, then GCD of 10 and 20 will be equal to GCD of minus 10 and 20, or GCD of minus 10 and minus 20. If the numerical value is same but the signs are different, then their GCD will be same. Negative sign doesn't matter because GCD is considered always as positive number, so nothing will happen with this negative sign. So let's do it. Here see, first of all we will neglect the negative signs. Since between these two number, which one is greater? If we neglect the negative sign, then you will do it by neglecting the negative sign first of all. So 36 is less than 56, that means 56 is greater than 36. So using the division algorithm of Euclid, as you have done in general mathematics, you have to do in the same way. Therefore we can write 56, A is equal to, we had A is equal to B cube plus R, no? Where A and B are the integers, so A is taken as 56 and B is taken as 36, so 36. So 36 divide 56 how many times? Q is the quotient when we divide A by B, no? So here 56, 36 divide 56 one time, no? Or you may divide in the side of your copy, 36 divide one time, so 36 0 2, no? This is the remainder, so here remainder, no? Again in the next step, since it is an algorithm, so in the next step we will write this 36 here and this remainder here, and after dividing by 36 we get here 36 how many times? 1 times 20, remains 16, no? So remainder is 16. 20 divides 36 one time and remainder is 16. Next we will take 20 and 60, so 20 and 16 into, again divide 20 by 16 one time, 16 4 time, no? 4, remainder is 4. So 16 divided 20 one time, remainder is 4. Now we'll take 16 and 14, very easy sum, 16 and 4. So 4 divide 16 4 time, so 0. When we will get the remainder 0, then this value, sorry, here it should be into, then this value B will be the, this thing will be the GCD. Therefore we can write, therefore GCD, in the final line we will write the same thing, 56 and minus 36 is equal to 4. Very easy. So I hope you can do these sums very easily. So I am not doing any more sum of 7 number. I am proceeding to the 8 number, which is very important. Always in exam one sum from 8 number comes, so it is very important sum. So let's see. Question number 8 is that find two integers u and v such that 20u plus 63v is equal to 1. Before that I am going to explain something. Suppose if d is the GCD of a and b, no? If d is the common divisor of a and b, that means if d is the HCF of a and b, suppose if HCF of a and b is d, then this can be written as d can be written as ax plus by, where x and y are some integers belongs to. That means the highest common factor or greatest common divisor of two integers can be written as in this form. So here also in 8 number question is also it is done. Suppose, or it can be written as ax plus by is equal to d, where d is what? Greatest common divisor. Here also the same thing is applied. Here the two integers and 20 and 63, and u and v are two integers. If we compare this equation, x and y, here u and v are there, and a and b are the two integers. So 20 and 63 are two integers, and here 1 is there. So 1 means here it will be GCD. That means 1 is the HCF of 20 and 63. No? So give it equation number 1. So now what will you do? First of all, you will find the, in this type of sum, all sum can be done in the same way, which I am going to do. 20 and 63. First of all, you will find the GCD of 20 and 63. So 63, how to find GCD of 20 and 63? By using Euclidean algorithm. So here you will write, or you can write, since 63 is greater than 20, or you can write directly 63 is equal to 20. So 20 divided 63 3 times. What will be the remainder? Remainder is 3. No? So give it equation number 2. Again we will take 20 and 3. So 20 and this 3, not this 3. So 3 divides 26 times. 6 3s are 18, and remainder is 2. Give it equation number 3. Then we will take 2 and 3 and 2. So 3 here, 2 here. So 2 divides 3 1 time. So 1 plus remainder is 1. Give it equation number 4. Now again see, 2 and 1. We will take 2 here and 1 here. 1 divide 2 2 times. Remainder is 0. That means we got that GCD is 1. So it is matching with the equation, yes or not? Now what will you do? We will take that equation where remainder is the GCD. So 1 is our GCD, and where 1 is present as remainder in this equation. No? We will take that equation, listen it carefully, we will take that equation where GCD is present as remainder. So we got GCD, therefore GCD of 20 and 63 is 1. Therefore we will take equation, which equation? 1 is present as remainder, that means GCD is present as remainder in equation 4. So we will take equation number 4. 4 implies, here you see, if we keep 1 this side in this equation, we will directly write, if we keep this equation 1 keep this side, then this term is one single term. So if this time if we take this term this side, that means 2 into 1. If we carry this side, then 3 minus 2 into 1. So 1 will be equal to Why I am taking this equation? Because we have we have got GCD 1. So 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 2 into 1. So this is nothing but simplification of equation number 4. No? Equation number 4. Now see, 1 will remain same because it is mixing. No? 1 and 1. So 1. So now we will put the values up to when we will get 20 and 63, both the numbers we will get here, then we will simplify it. So here 20 or 60, neither of these number are present, so we will put again. Now see, 3 minus, what is the value of 2? Value of 2 will be from equation 3. If we see value of 2, this value, because 1 has no value, because value of 1 is already put, and now we have to put the value of 2. What is the value of 2? Value of 2 means 20 minus, if we carry this term 3 into 6 this side, then 20 minus 3 into 6. So value of 2 means 20 minus 3 into 6, 3 into 6, and then into 1. No? Now see, now we will break this thing. 3 minus, if we see 20 into 1, 20 into 1, no? Minus minus plus 1 into this, 3 into 6, that means 3 into 6. No? Now we will write those terms where we can take common. So you see, this term and this 3 into 6, that means 3 and 3 into 6, 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 3 into 6. Why I am writing these things together? Because we can take 3 common. Now see, minus 20 into 1 remain same. One number we have got. In our given equation we have 20 and 63. We got 20. Now we have to get 63. Now see, what will you do? We have the value of 3. So before that, here 3 is common. So if we take 3 common, here 1 plus here 6, no? Minus 20 into 1. Now we will do nothing here because we got 20. Now see here, it means what? 3 means what? 3 means, if we see this equation, 3 means 63 minus 20 minus 63 minus 20 into 3. 63 minus 20 into 3. 3 means 63 minus 20 into 3, and into 1 plus 6 means 7 minus 20 into 1. Huh? Now see, if we write this thing, both are multiplying. 7 into 63, that means 63 into 7, we got 63, minus, as we need 20, if we multiply this thing, 20 into 21, no? 20 into 21. Why I am not multiplying with 20? Because we need 20. So 20 we will keep same. 20 into 21 and minus 20 into 1. No? It is almost finished. First question is very quite long, and other question will be short. Don't worry. Yes, 63 into 7 minus, here again see 20 is getting common. So 20. If we take 20 common, here remains 2, no? Here remains 1. Sorry, it is not 2, it is 21, no? And here it will be 21. As minus is common, so it will be plus. Now so 63 into 7, and here minus 20 into 22. Since 63 into 7 remains same, since in our given equation we have 20 plus 60, 20 u plus 63, no? 20 u plus 63, that means here plus sign is there. That means 20 is positive number, 63 is positive number. So we have to make as it is this equation, no? Or if we want to make it this minus, if we give here plus, 20 is positive number, so 20 we have to give this thing minus 22, then plus minus minus. Why I am not giving the negative sign with 20? Because there is no negative sign in the given equation. Now give it equation number 6. Now if you compare equation number 6 with equation number 1, with 20 we have u, 20u. That means our equation is 20u plus 63v is equal to 1. So here we have 1. So these two equations, this equation and this equation are same equation. With 20 we have u. Here with 20 we have minus 22. That means the value of u is minus 22. With 63 there is v. With 63 there is 7. And right hand side is equal. So if we compare these two equations, we get u means to minus 22 and v means 7, because 7 is present with 63, here v is present with 63. So you will write comparing equation 6. Right? Comparing equation 1 and 6, we get u is equal to minus 22 and v is equal to 7. So first question is quite long, but other questions are short, don't worry. So we will next one more question here, and other two questions you will do yourself. So 8 number question 2 is that 30u plus 72v is equal to 12. So we have to proceed in the same way. First of all, we have to find the GCD of 30 and 72 as we have done 1 number question. No? So first of all, here you can write, or using Euclid division algorithm, 72 is equal to 30. So 30 divide how many times? 2 times. So 30 to the 60, 72 minus 60, 12. That is remainder is 12. Give it equation number 2. Again we'll take 30 and 12. 30 and 12. So 12 divide 30, again 2 times 24, and remainder is 6. So 3 number. And 12 and 6, 12 and 6. 6 divide 2 times, remainder is 0. That means what? We got HCF or GCD of 30 and 72 is 6. No? So now which equation we will take? Where 6 is present as remainder, we get GCD 6, and this 6 is present in equation number 3 as remainder. Here also 6 present, but we can take this equation because here it is not remainder. 6 is present as remainder in equation number 3. So we will take equation number 3 implies. So we will keep this thing say one side, and this thing 12 into 2 we will carry this side. So 6 is equal to 30 minus 12 into 2. 30 minus 12 into 2. Now this time you see we need here 12. In our given equation the GCD is given as 12. Here we get 6. That means we have to make this 6 12 to compare with this equation. No? Here we have in one side 12, here we get one side 6. When you will get this like this thing, we have to make both the numbers same. So to make it same, we have to multiply this equation both side by 2. No? So we'll multiply it later. Now write this thing. Now see 30 minus value of 12. See value of 12 from equation 2 is that 72 minus 30 into 2. So value of 12 means 72 minus 30 into 2. And this 2 is extra present. No? Now see, write this 6 together. 30, 72 into 2, and minus plus. Since in equation we have 30 and 72, so we got 30 and 72. So this 2 will be multiplied with this 2, not with 30, because we need 30 here. So 30 into 4. Okay. Now see 6, 30, and this term contain 30, so we can write this term together, 30 into 4 and minus 72 into 2. No, now see, 6, here 30 is common, here remains 1 plus 4 minus 72 into 2, 6, 30 into 5 minus 72 into 2. Now see, since in equation number we have 12 and in our equation we have 6, so now we have to, since both the numbers present in the equation 1 we got it 30 and 72, now we have to make this number 12. So multiplying both sides by 12 we get here 12. Here also with both the time we have to multiply 2. Why I am multiplying by 2? Because in our given equation 12 is present, so make 6 to 12 we need to multiply it by 2. So 30, if we multiply 2 here, don't multiply with the numbers which are present, multiply with this, that means 2 in 10, here 72 into, if we multiply 2 it becomes 4. Now see, here 12 we get 12, 30 into 10, in our given equation we have positive sign here, positive sign. So to make it positive, what should we do? We have to give positive here, 72 into minus 4, give it equation number 5. So it is quite short comparison to the first one. So therefore comparing equation 1 and 5. So equation number 1 was that 30u plus 72v is equal to 12. No? So with 30 we have u, here with 30 we have 10, that means u is equal to 10, and with 72 we have v, with 72 we have minus 4, that means v is minus 4. So that's it, very important sum and easy. So next 2 question you will do yourself and you will send to my WhatsApp number. It's your homework. Thank you.